Isikhathi sendaba zesiNdebele sikubikela zona bunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu we-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
We were told that we should not be worried about DA. What did DA did now? DA said President must not sign Bella.
ANC is sold out. Coordinated.
Inhlangano ezinesikhozi ne-ANC nanje sajamile emagameni azo ukuthi azimfuni uhulumende obumbano. Bathi ANC bathengisile ngokusebenzisana ne-DA. Kanti i-SACP ithi iphumile ku-ANC yozijamele emakhethweni zabo.
I'm very disappointed because this is just a ploy. When he committed the crime, he was fine. Now it's suddenly psychological stuff that's going on. No, that's not on.
Umndeni weKhabole kaNgazimbi odunyuzwe lisokana lakhe elilipholisa uthi udanile ngokuthi umsolo akhange avele ekhotho namhlanje. Umsolo usasibhedlela ngoba ulinge ukuzibulala naye.
Sisebenza ngalokujwayelekile futhi lokutshintshile. Ma-truck la ngenako ayangena nema-truck laphumako nabo bonke abantu labahambayo baya eMozambique bayangena bayaphuma.
Unzinzile ubujamo ezweni leMozambique nemkhawulweni welibombo ukhambe kuhle.
Not about coming to change the world. It's just coming to tweak and just motivate.
U-Owen Dagama umenyezelwe ngokusemthethweni namhlanje njengommanduli omutsha wesichema seMagesi FC. Siyakwamukela mbukeli endabeni zokugcina zelimi lesiNdebele zomnyaka ka-2024. Akwande. Umnyaka ka-2024 ube ngohlukileko kuneminye iminyaka ihlanganweni eyihlanganisela yama-union we-ANC, i-SACP. Ihlangano yamakomanisi le ichotshozela ukuzijamela emakhethweni ngemva kokuzwakalisa ukunganeliseki ngesifundo se-ANC sokubusa ngokubambisana ne-DA.
Nanyana ubudlelwano behlanganisela inhlangano lebathoma ngesikhathi sebandlululo bagcina benziwa ngokusemthethweni ekuthomeni kweminyaka yabo 1990. Hlanganisela le ifaka hlangana i-ANC, SACP neCOSATU bese kube neSANCO eyajoyina ekuhambeni kwesikhathi. Solo kwango-1994 amalunga wehlanganisela le bekasola vota ngaphasi kwe-ANC ebusilizweli yodwa eminyaka ema-30 yonke. Ekhethweni lika-2024 ANC yehlele ku-40% yakateleleka bona ibuse ngokuhlanganyela nezinye inhlangano ezilithoba kuhulumende webumbano. I-DA yaba lilunga lakhona eliphambili. Kodwa namalunga wehlanganisela athi ukukhetha kwe-ANC i-DA kuhulumende webumbano kufelele lisumzabalazo. Ne-SACP isoli i-ANC ngokuba bathengisi.
ANC is sold out. Coordinated. That same day. So it doesn't give the people the truth.
ICOSATU nayo iyasola nobhala zombelele wayo soliphethwe naye akakathabi nge-ANC nobudlelwano bayo obutsha ne-DA nakamazizwayo.
We were told that we should not be worried about DA. What did DA did now? DA said President must not sign Bella.
Kanti SACP nayo yenze ababuchopori khulu yafunga yalala phasi ngomhlana yathi yozijamela ekhethweni lomnyaka ka-2026. Sekela likamengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile udose phambili abajameli embuthanweni okhethekileko wehlandla lesihlanu SACP bewathi i-ANC ayizuyikhandela ihlangano yamakomanisi lesiqundweni sayo sokuzijamela iyodwa emakhethweni kodwana nayingazi ukuhlukanisa phakathi ihlanganisela le.
Once they come with the details, we will see what the details say, and then we'll discuss them with the SACP.
Nakusenjalo amalunga wehlanganisela le abeka ithemba lawo emhlanganweni wenhlangano emibili ANC ne-SACP ohlelelwe ukubanjwa ngemva kwembizo ye-ANC yangoChihweni ukuthi ngakhani kuzasola ukubanjisenwe namkhiyo yephula ihlanganisela lena.
Lithuliselwe ngomhla ka-8 umnyaka ozako icala lokukata lendoda yeLimpopo yeminyaka ema-20 ubudala ekuthiwa batsho ikate umntazinyana weminyaka eli-13 bewazithwala. Umsolo uvele ekhotho kwamagistrata wesishirho ngaphandle kwepolokwane eLimpopo. Umsolo uqalene necala linye lokukata nelinye lokukhulisa umntwana ngendlela yokumjayeza izenzo zomseme.
Umsolo ubonakala ngakathuki nakavela kokuthoma ekhotho kanti asikwazi ukuveza ubuso bakhe ukuvikela uNgazimbi. Amapholisa athi umsolwa uhlangene kokuthoma noNgazimbi esithabathabeni sentolo sesishiro ngenyanga kaTjhirhweni umnyaka lo. Bathoma ukuya emsemeni inyanga ezimbalwa ngemva kwalokho. Umntazinyana lo uthoma ukungazizwa kuhle ngosinye ikhaba watshela ilunga lomndeni wagijinyiselwa esibhedlela. Kwatholwa bona sela nenyanga ezibunane zokazithwele. Umntazinyana lo ufunda ugrade 8 ubelethe umsanyana ngoKrismusi kanti umsolwa ubotshwe ngemva kwelanga linye umntazinyana lo abelethile. Izakhamuzi esishirho bezizele esizwe ekhotho zithi zinethemba lokubana icalile lizokukhuthaza abanye abentazinyana ukuthi babike izehlakalo ezifana nalezi.
Her dreams are actually shattered as we speak because she must now stay at home and look after the baby.
There are many unreported cases. This one is very likely to come up.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi amaphenyo asezingeni eliphezulu wokuthola bona kufanele kubotshwa abanye aboyisela abantwana abama-30 ababelethwe ngoKrismusi babelethwa boma bangaphasi kweminyaka obudala.
The 16-year-olds, they are being investigated also who are the fathers and what happened, and indeed more arrests would be happening.
Kanti umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi uthi bakhona sele babotshelwe insolo zokukata ngalesi sikhathi sikaKrismusi.
556 people have been arrested because of that. So our hope is to say the man must rot in jail, he must not come out.
Icala lilisuliselwe ngomhla ka-8 kuTjhirhweni umnyaka ozako.
The docket is going to be forwarded to the DPP for directives, because the case involves the victim who is a minor of 13 years old girl.
Uhulumende uthemba bona ukusetshenziswa ngokupheleleko komthetho wezifundo sisekelo kuzokusiza ukwehlisa izinga lokuzithola kwabentazinyana abasebancane.
Anybody, not only the parents, who see any child below the age of 16 who's pregnant have the right to go to the police station and open a case.
Kanti umsolwa uzokuhlala ngemaseleni bekayokuvela ekhotho godu.
Icala lepholisa elidumuze intombi yalo lithuliselwe umhla ka-6 kuTjhirhweni umnyaka ozako. Umsolwa oneminyaka ema-42 ubudala. Usolwa ngokudumuza abulale intombi yakhe uJesney Kepler ngaphambi kokuthi azidumuze yena. Kuthiwa udumuze amahlandla ambalwa efesitereni wabulala uNgazimbi lo. Isehlakalo lesi senzeke ngeLesine e-Eldorado Park. Kuthiwa umsolwa noNgazimbi bebasilwa.
Amalunga omphakathi we-Eldorado Park aphume ngobuningi eza kule khotho ukuzokulalela icala. Kuthiwa ipolisi lidumuzela abulalo Kepler ngemva kokulwa ngekhaya. Umsolwa ubengekho ekhotho namhlanje ngombana usesibhedlela ugadwe amapholisa. Umndeni kaNgazimbi uthwenyekile ngokungaveli komsolwa ekhotho.
Now we're very disappointed because this is just a ploy. When he committed the crime, he was fine. Now it's suddenly psychological stuff that's going on. No, that's not on. And like I said, my daughter I want justice for my daughter, and that's what I'm gonna fight for.
Ipolisa elikhulunyiswa kweli selokuye livele godi kule khotho ngomvulo iveke ezako.
The matter is being remanded to the 6th of January 2025 for the possible appearance of the absent accused. The accused is in custody and is being held in hospital section of the custody until then. Proceedings are adjourned in this instance.
Umndeni uthi umsolwa ubevela kujayele ukuhlukumeza uNgazimbi.
Very silent on this, and she never told us anything, and that is the thing that hurt me so much, because I felt like I failed my daughter, because if I was there, this was never gonna happen.
Ikonzo yokududuza umndeni iyokubanjwa kusasa e-Eldorado Park.
Nasibuya entolo.
Most important thing that the NSPCA recommends is not to use fireworks.
Abathengisi bamakerekere bayeliliswa ngomngozi bamakerekere khulukhulu ebantwaneni. Sakhona indaba laphambukeli nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, X, TikTok na ku Facebook. Ukusetshenziswa kwamakerekere kuyindlela ejayelekileko esiphekelela ehlukaniseni umnyaka kungwene komutsha. Kodwana inlwana ziba semngozini zokulimala nokuthukwa kakhulu nakuthutshunjiswa amakerekere. Iziko lobujamo oburhabekileko eJohannesburg kunye nephiko lezokuphephisa kwenilwana, iNational Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, bayelelise izakhamuzi nabathengisi bamakerekere ukuthi balandele umthetho wokusetshenziswa kwamakerekere ukubalekela ukulinyazwa kwenilwana.
Sekusela ama-awa ambalwa ngaphambi kokuthi singene eminyakeni omutsha, namakerekere nawo selalungile ukuthi ameruziswe. Kodwana kunobungozi obuza ngokusetshenziswa kwamakerekere. Ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha nokuthabela ukungenwa komnyaka omutsha, iziko lobujamo obuhabekileko eJohannesburg likhombela umphakathi nalabo abathengisa amakerekere bona badumuzise ngokuhlogomela, kanti laba abangalandeli umthetho bazokuhlawuliswa.
We are aware during this time of the year, the majority of our people will be going to different establishments just to buy crackers where they're going to celebrate, especially the 31st and the 1st of Jan. And we have to make sure that as and when they do so, we educate them around the dangers that they may find themselves around.
Izakhamuzi nazo ziyeleliswa ukuthi zihlogomele nazithuthumbisa amakerekere ngoba kungaba nokulimazana. Inlwane kaningi ayeziphazamiseke nakugidingwa ukuhlukaniswa komnyaka. Ichata nomkhanyo wamakerekere kaningi uthuswa inlwana. I-SPCA iyelelise izakhamuzi ukuthi zihlogomele inlwane ngesikhathesi.
Biggest and most important thing that the NSPCA recommends is not to use fireworks. If you suspect people are going to use fireworks in your area, the best thing is to keep your dogs indoors, your dogs and your cats, and if possible to stay at home with them.
Iziko lezobujamo obuhabekileko liyelelise izakhamuzi ukusebenzisa amakerekere ngokuyelela khulu batsheje hle.
Ubujamo bunzinzile bubuyeleke ebujayelekileko emkhawulweni Libombo eMpumalanga nanyana kusesenomtshakalo eMozambique nje. Amatrogo kunye neenkoloyi ziyakhamba. Indlela ye-N4 ihlangothini leMozambique ihlangana nezinye indlela ezikulu ezicothelwe khulu batshakala. Abahlali beMozambique bajijila imphumela yekhetho elibanjwe ngoSewula. Basola ukuthi amakhetho akhwabanisiwe ukuthi kuthumbe ihlangano ebusako elizweni la-Frelimo Party.
Ukudlulisa kwemithwalo kunye nenkolo ekuraga ngefanele emkhawulweni. Laba beqa umkhawula bavela eMozambique abangakhange bathande ukuvela emakhemereni bathi akukho ukuphazamiseka eMozambique namhlanje. Kanti imphathimandla zemkhawulweni weLibombo zithi ekuseni namhlanje kube nesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abeqa umkhawulo bangena baphuma eMozambique.
Sifuna nje ukunatisa ukuthi sisebenza ngalokujwayelekile ukuthi lokutshintshile. Ma-truck la ngenako ayangena nema-truck laphumako. Nabo bonke abantu labahamba baya eMozambique bayangena bayaphuma.
Ivulekile indlela konke kukhamba kuhle emkhawuleni weLibombo.
Ezinye zezakhamuzi zeGauteng zikhethe ukungehli ngama-holiday nje. Nanyana igoli elinengi lehlile laya emakhaya, abanye baya endaweni zokuphumula. Laba abasele ngemva bazifumanele indawo zokuditsha ezifana namaphaka wamanzi kunye nezinye indawo lazikhupha khona.
Abanye abantu bakhambile eGauteng bachingeke ezinye imfunda ukuthokozela amaholiday kaChristmas. Nanyana kunjalo ethembisa kuyaphithizela kulabo abaseleko bayazithabisa ziyakhipha. Abangana bazidijile khonini bathi eGauteng kusemakhabo abanazi indawo bangehlela kizo ngama-holiday nje.
Oh well, some of us Kharina Mahaya runa kona Mothembisa. We were born and brought here, so that's why we're here.
Labantu labo jwayele ukubloma nabo basemakhaya nama yiwisho ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngathi nami ngaba emakhaya ngifane nabo laba basemakhaya.
Labo imindeni nabo esemfundeni ezihlukeneko bathi babanjwe umsebenzi abakhona ukwehla.
Kutshwere ke Spanish se ke sibereka unlike di shift tsa teng di a hlanya ona nthongwe re etsa because ha e chaile se re na ha no bo bomba fela ra dinwela wa ba mnate as long as o sena dintwa re sharp. Mara ra di hopela di family tsa rena cause di ba hae.
Imakhilomitha nambalo nentatawu lephumulungu kuyaphithizela. Abantu babukela ibhola etatawini lehlabathi. Ngilabo bathengisako njengomuhloko elihodi ibhizinisi sakhamba kuhle khulu akusibuthaka ngalesi sikhathi somnyaka.
It has not affected us a lot because there's people that reside here, and then another thing, people from other places like other provinces and surrounding areas, they do come here to support, so it's not that bad.
Imphathimandla zeGauteng Tourism Authority zithi kusaphithizela eGauteng abantu balapha bathatha isiqondo sokuthi babe bavakasha ubukeli khonapha.
Township
in Gauteng are part of the DNA. And this festive summer, as we can see with the multitudes of the people that are here, people are no longer doing December and festive season in a traditional way. They are now being hit by the economy that we are facing. So they're staying to live life local.
Nanyana iGauteng inganawo ama-views akhethekileko njengendaba nelwandle sevakatshobukelo kodwana uRhawuganeliwe uthi amaphaka amanzi kunye namaphaka ajayelekileko ayintandokazi emndenini ukuthi ayokuditsha kiwo. Kanti izakhamuzi kunye nemvakatshi zikhuthaza bona zisihlogomele zingene kuhle emnyakeni omutsha ngombani imphathimandla zendlela angeke zibe nomusa bazokulilwa zinsimbi abaphula umthetho.
Bukeli sikubuzile bona zikhupha kuphi ngikhenu begodwa kusasa zobe wenzani ukwamukela umnyaka omutsha. Asicale umbono wakho uyalandela.
Sasa ngizabe ngiditshe nge-Sun City C kwaMashiyana konke kuhle mntana Nkosi. Nawungibaba omdala kufanele uditshe nabo baba abadala.
Mina la ngikhona ku-quiet cool somewhere by my brother's house.
Nje kule weekend ngiqaphele ukubona imshado kanjalo imhlonyane imicimbi emihle nje kakhulu.
Daba kusasa ngizobe ngilaphe the best palace ngonqamla khona unyaka bisho iCarragate bisho music.
Ngizomukela kulapha emaplasini kwa-Eric khona la ngebhetali la ngabelethwela khona.
Nje kusasa sizobe siyobuka ingoma ngoba thina lapha eDumbe sijabulisa ngengoma kaShameni.
Kuba usapho ndihambe nalo ngiye elwandle.
Elwandle sizokhupha amabhadi kodwa ngifanele siyothatha wona kuba nabanye abayile bathi bayowakhupha. Kumane kulanda winyo sonke.
Akazabe ngikhona la eka eMloto mkhathi nginomuntu wami sidabulela unyaka la eJarden.
Ngizobe ngihlukanisa unyaka nabantu bemaplasini kusasa.
Umbono wonke wombukeli SABC ayizokuthwasa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Kezimali iranda lebogaboga nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. I-AC Milan ibhalelene nombanduli wayo uPaulo Fonseca ngemva kokudlala ngokulingana neRoma izolo kanti nomdlali walokhu we-Italy uFabio Cannavaro uthethwe njengombanduli omutsha weDinamo Zagreb.
I-AC Milan isebujameni bobunane eligini ye-Italy Serie A kanti isebujameni be-12 ku-UEFA Champions League. Ngakile inhlangothi uFabio Cannavaro sekathoma umsebenzi wakhe omutsha kuDinamo esebujameni bama-24 ku-UEFA. Ganumanas Carlsen uyabuya ku-World Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship e-America ngemva kokuqindeliswa phambilini. Umthayi we-Swiss uGino Caviezel limele nabekathayi ephaliswaneni lepikiri yephasi ku-Super G eBIMU e-Italy izolo kwakateleleka ukuthi agijinyiselwe esibhedlela ngofly kodwa iphaliswano akhange liyeke laraga.
Siloshisile ekhaya ngomvulo asicalele ubujamo bezulu nake umoya omakhaza uchidela lapha endaweni zeCape Town uphekelela izudlwana elingalinganiselwa lapha nge-30% ukuthi ke ngapha ngeGqeberha urabhule njalo udlule lapha endaweni zabo Bloemfontein uchinge ngaleke ngeMahikeng litholakala nge-60% esifundeni sangeGauteng eMpumalanga nakezinye indawo zangapha ke ngeKZN lona ke litholakala nge-30% nokho ke kusasa ayaqina ke amathuba endaweni ezifana nalezi ngapha ngeDurban uchinge njalo ngalenga kuboPitori nalapha esifundeni sangeLimpopo Limpopo nge-60%, kuthi-ke ngapha nge-Cape Town kodwa asatholakala amathuba wezulu nge-30%. Nakuya-ke nomoya loya uyaraga njalo utshinga ngale ngeMpumalanga Kapa. Silemukiso-ke lesi somoya namandla endaweni zangapha nge-Cape Town ngobusuku obu. Kanti-ke ngapha-ke mijijo eduma kumbi endaweni zalapha eMahikeng nemijijo eduma kumbi endaweni zangapha-ke ngeMpumalanga Kapa. Kusasa-ke godu kusesenjalo-ke ngemijijo eduma kumbi lapha eMahikeng nangapha ngendaweni zangale nge-KZN. Lapha-ke ikhonakalo yomlilo wemango nomoya loya-ke ungaleke ngeSewula. Siyakuchidela ukuthi ukwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani amazinga okutshisa. Sithome ngapha ngesifundeni sange-Gauteng, sifuthumele soke ekuseni nentambama nokho-ke khona-ke kupholile. Esifundeni sangeLimpopo sibona indawo ezifana naMusina iPhalabhura kuyatshisa, lapha iPhulukwane kufuthumele iliphala litshise nge-32. Lapha-ke esifundeni sangeMpumalanga boMhlanga Middelburg eMalahleni kufuthumele ngabo-26 ngabo-29. Ngaleke ngesikhukhuza khona-ke kuyatshisa neMkhondo nge-32. eMkhondo iKwaZulu Natal ibonakala-ke itshisa kukhulu ngemva kwamadina noma ekuseni nje kubonakala kuvuka kupholile nentambama kuzabe kupholile. iDurban nge-31 ngemva kwamadina. Lapha-ke iMpumalanga Kapa-ke iyatshisa endaweni eziningi kufuthumele lapha-ke eMakhanda. Nasitshinga lapha-ke esifundeni sangeTjingalanga Kapa sibona-ke iCape Town ifuthumele, lapha-ke iCape Agulhas yona ipholile neMossel Bay. Kuthi-ke ezinye indawo kuyatshisa lapha-ke eNorthern Cape libonakala litshisa endaweni eziningi. KuseSpringbok lapho lifuthumele khona neSutherland nge-25. Lapha-ke esifundeni sangeFreystata noma liza kunanjaya-ke liza kuthoma ngokuthi litshise endaweni eziningi. Nokho-ke iSasolburg ifuthumele nge-29. Kokugcina sicala lapha-ke esifunda sange-Northwest lapha-ke eMahikeng khona-ke kufuthumele. Kuthi-ke ezinye indawo kuyatshisa. Abantu abangene kamnandi eminyakeni omutsha sibonane godu ngeLesithathu. Dido.
Siphelela lapha indaba zokugcina zesiNdebele zomnyaka ka-2024 kusasaze Siswati Zikhona. Yukho Bongi.